y'all. Welcome back to Pretty in the Paint. Sara here. Now, before we get started, can we just take a second and appreciate this set? I designed every bit of it myself, and I ain't gonna lie, she's looking real cute today. But enough about that. You all came for these flowers. So grab your favorite snack, get comfy, and let's make something that'll have folks asking, "Girl, where'd you get those nails?" Let's get into it. Now, first things first, I'm rolling my gel into the tiniest little bead. And y'all, tiny means tiny. If that wee bead gets too big, your flower's gonna start looking like cabbage. And we ain't making coleslaw today. Now I'm just pressing that little bead into my first petal. Don't mash it flat, sugar. Just give it a gentle little press and let the brush do the work. Then I'm gonna turn the nail, not my hand. Baby, work smarter, not harder. Now I'm adding my next petal. And just like that, she's already starting to bloom. Now we're just gonna keep building our petals one at a time. Don't go rushing it. Every petal's got its own little job to do. If one of them gets a little wild, just scoot her right on back where she belongs. Before you know it, your flower starts coming to life. Now for my favorite part. I'm just cleaning everything up and adding those last little details. See how that flower just pops now? Baby, that's the difference a few tiny touches can make. And there she is. Cute, classy, and ready for my client. Now tell me, would y'all wear these?
You go to church, if she ain't got a butt, fucking get a toy. Yeah, you just wanna party, you just wanna lap dance, you just wanna pop up on these times, take you to back